It's another day for you and me, for us to do better that we can be. Let's try to push down all the things that we need to forget just to make us free. Bind together and hold us one, a harmony and love, equal peace for men. Di pa huli sa atin ang lahat, tumayo ka lang, mabutit buhay ay sapat. Cause ang lahat ng iyong pasanin, lahat ng to ay kakayanin. You don't need to act just like you're someone. You need to understand that we're same man now. Bow your head and put it down, your gun. Everyone of us shall be able to stand. Walang away, walang gulo, magkaisa kapit kamay, taas sa noo. Dahil sino pa ba ang magtutulungan kundi Pinoy sa Pinoy, tulisan sa tulisan. We need to back up, we need to back up. Spread your wings and make it take up. Ready or not, me and you can make it up. Open your eyes and let's make a move to top. Ipatapos sa role mo sa buhay, may panahon ka pa para magsanay. Kaya natin to hanggang sa huli, walang mali, walang wala, walang masisisi. Cause ang lahat ng iyong pasanin, lahat ng to ay kakayanin. Ang lahat ay kakayanin. Ang lahat ng iyong pasanin. Sabi nga nila, masarap mabuhay ng tahimik at marangal. Living with peace, with love, with everyone working as one. Kapit-isigan ng kakaisa, sa isang adikain, sa isang pangarap. Umahakbang kahit ang daan ay mahirap. Haha.